Hey guys, this is EAS guy back at it again with another EAS scenario. This is a work of fiction. Any relation to real-life events is purely coincidental. This presentation contains loud sounds that may be disturbing. This presentation also contains valid emergency alert system tones. Misuse of emergency alert system tones is a felony and can put the offender in really bad legal trouble. The content creator will not be held responsible for anyone's misuse of valid emergency alert system tones. Viewer discretion is advised.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in Nebraska until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar has indicated that wind speeds of 75 miles per hour and hail 1.5 inches thick will impact residents of Lancaster County. A tornado is likely to form with this system as conditions are favorable for it. This is a good time to review your emergency kit. Heavy rainfall of 6.5 inches is expected with this storm. Move to higher ground in your household if it is available, as flooding may occur. Stay tuned to local news outlets for more information on this developing situation. A tornado watch is in effect for Lancaster County, Sanders County, Cass County, and Sarpy County until 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Conditions are favorable for an extremely dangerous and life-threatening tornado. An EF5 tornado or worse is expected to form a mile south of Lincoln, Nebraska, and make its way northeast. The severe thunderstorm warning is still in effect. It is moving north-northeast at 30 miles per hour. It is advised that you go into a tornado shelter before it forms. If no such shelter is available, go to an interior room of a sturdy building with as little doors and windows as possible. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or local news outlets for more information on this developing situation. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Lancaster County, Sanders County, Cass County, and Sappi County until further notice. A very dangerous and life-threatening tornado has been spotted in Lincoln, Nebraska. This tornado is an apocalyptic 5 miles wide and is declared to be the first EF6 by the National Weather Service. This tornado is spinning at a rate of 380 miles per hour, with specific areas getting up to 400 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you do not find a tornado shelter, you will face certain death. Massive trees will be uprooted, sturdy-built homes will be completely swept from its foundation, skyscrapers and apartment buildings will sway violently until the point of collapse, most tornado shelters will be completely obliterated. This storm is moving 120 miles per hour north-northeast. Do these precautions to protect your life. Do not go outside, you will be killed by flying debris. Find a tornado shelter, this is your only chance of survival, and bring food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. Power will be unavailable for months. The area will be unrecognizable, only debris. 95% of affected residents or more are expected to die with this storm. This storm can be seen from 30 miles away. Stay tuned to local news outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
That was another mock EAS scenario by that EAS guy. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe and share to a friend so more people can see this. Do not follow any instructions from this video. Do not use this video as a prank either. Thank you, have a great day.